Welcome back to the channel, Drone Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated releases in the drone world, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. With late 2024 as the rumored release window, this next-generation compact drone is creating a buzz with its expected upgrades and enhancements. If you're as excited as we are about the future of drone technology, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned as we explore what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro a potential game-changer in the drone market. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has been the talk of the town in the drone community. Leaks and rumors suggest that DJI is set to revolutionize the compact drone segment with this model. One of the most talked-about features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its camera upgrade. Expected to come equipped with a 1-inch sensor, this is a significant leap from the 1/2.3-inch sensor found in its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. This enhancement promises to deliver superior image quality, particularly in low-light conditions. The larger sensor will improve dynamic range, reduce noise, and enhance overall image clarity. Furthermore, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to support 4K video recording at an impressive 60 frames per second. Moving on to storage, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to significantly increase its internal storage capacity. The jump from the current 2 GB of storage to a much more generous 8 GB would allow for longer recording sessions and fewer interruptions for data transfer. The anticipated price range for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is between $700 and $800. This pricing strategy aims to attract both avid drone enthusiasts and professional users looking for high-quality features in a compact package. In addition to its core upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to retain many beloved features from the Mini 4 Pro while introducing several new design enhancements. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is also expected to incorporate advanced AI features, further enhancing its usability and performance. These AI-driven capabilities could include improved obstacle avoidance, smarter flight modes, and enhanced automated shooting options. As we wrap up our deep dive into the DJI Mini 5 Pro, it's evident that this upcoming drone has all the makings of a game-changer. From significant camera improvements to extended battery life and advanced connectivity features, the Mini 5 Pro promises to offer a professional-grade experience in a compact form factor. Will the DJI Mini 5 Pro live up to the hype and set new standards in the drone industry? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure, the excitement surrounding this release is palpable. If you enjoyed this detailed overview, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the DJI Mini 5 Pro and other exciting drone news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.